Welcome. Today we will demonstrate the use of our emergency response kit for lithium-ion batteries. These kits are designed to equip schools, hospitals, industrial facilities, and other operations with the necessary tools to safely respond to incidents involving lithium-ion batteries, particularly in cases of thermal runaway. The contents of the emergency response kit are 2 pairs of 3X jumpsuits. These suits will provide protection against hydrogen fluoride gas, safeguarding your skin. 2 pairs of 400-degree gloves. These gloves prevent contact with potentially hot surfaces. 2 pairs of safety goggles. These will protect your eyes from harmful substances and debris. 2 pairs of 3M hydrogen fluoride respirators. These will give you respiratory protection against hazardous fumes. 1 small bottle of Stay Safe fluid. This will be used to mitigate the thermal effects on the battery. 1 gallon of TRF Plus fluid, a neutralizing agent for thermal runaway incidents. Also included in the kit is 1 collapsible shovel. This is to help you move the thermal runaway device safely. The emergency response procedure. Upon receiving a report of the potential lithium-ion battery in thermal runaway, activate the 911 emergency response system. Assess whether your personnel can handle the situation safely. If not, evacuate the building and await the arrival of emergency services. Once notified of a potential battery in thermal runaway, break the seal on the emergency response kit, and both responders should don all of the safety equipment. Prepare the TRF Plus and its container by pouring the entire gallon of fluid into the 5-gallon bucket. As you enter the area with a partner, be aware that it is potentially contaminated with hydrogen fluoride gas. Spray the lithium-ion battery with a small can of Stay Safe fluid. This action will help reduce heat and slow the progression of thermal runaway. To properly dispose of the battery, use the shovel provided to pick up the object and place it into the 5-gallon bucket containing TRF Plus fluid. Ensure that the fluid adequately covers the battery. If the TRF fluid does not fully cover the battery, you may dilute it by adding 2 additional gallons of water to the 1 gallon of TRF, achieving a 33% dilution. This will allow a safe removal of the battery. Finally, replacing the cover of the bucket securely move the bucket to a safe position outdoors. Fire Suppression Solutions believes the importance of training. It is imperative that personnel are trained for emergencies involving lithium-ion batteries. For further information and training resources, please contact Fire Suppression Solutions.